Hello, today we will guide you through how to bank transfer to Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can move funds confidently and avoid common hiccups. Keep your Trading 212 login details handy and make sure you're on a secure internet connection. Begin by opening the Trading 212 app on your phone or visiting the Trading 212 website in your browser, then sign into your account. If you're new or haven't deposited before, you'll be prompted to complete verification. This is required by regulation before deposits are enabled. Have a valid photo ID and a recent proof of address ready. When you upload documents, use clear, well-lit images and make sure your name and details match the information on your account. If anything is unclear, re-upload rather than risking rejection, as this can delay access to funding features. Once you're signed in and verified, look toward the top of the screen for the menu icon, often shown as 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Its position can vary slightly between desktop and mobile, but it's typically in a top corner. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding your window or checking the app's main dashboard view. Tap or click those 3 lines to open the main navigation panel. This is where Trading 212 groups key actions such as your portfolio, settings, and funding options. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account area you intend to fund, such as your investing account. This helps ensure deposits appear where you expect. From the navigation panel, choose Manage Funds. This brings you to the Funding Hub. Here you can select the bank transfer option and you'll be shown the account details you need to send money to, along with any unique reference provided for your transfer. It's important to send funds only from a bank account in your own name and to include the exact reference so the deposit is matched quickly. Check your account currency to reduce conversion fees and review any deposit limits or minimums noted on screen. Bank transfers can take time to clear, depending on your bank and region, so factor in processing windows. If your bank offers faster payments, that may speed things up. Before you confirm anything with your bank, double-check the payee details and reference against what Trading 212 displays, and save or screenshot the instructions for your records. That's it. You've reached the right place to complete a bank transfer into Trading 212. If anything looks unfamiliar, refresh the page or contact Trading 212 support for clarification before sending funds.